Hey Rosebuds, thanks for joining me today. Guess what's happening? I think this is the last of my bare roots. David Austin is always the last to arrive every year. It is April 3rd or so, and that's typically when they come, which is so crazy because my bare roots start arriving in zone 8 at the end of February, like the last weekend in February. So to be putting bare roots in the ground in April is just craziness to me, but they do have that 5-year warranty, and so that's nice, you know, that they're going to cover it if something happens or if they do come too late. So I'm packing our bare roots. What do we expect? We expect that they stayed moist in shipment. The bare roots are going to be completely covered. The roots, the canes, everything. And it should still be moist in that bag. Let's see what I got. I got one of each: Nye Bevan, Elizabeth, Danahue, Anne Boleyn, Sir John Betjeman, 2 Fighting Temeraire because I love it. It's such a unique frilly rose, and 3 Winchester Cathedral. And I've had Winchester Cathedral before, and I just love that white rose where sometimes it gets a little pink stripe on it too. That's fun. So I am a little bit sad right now that I'm opening this and the bag is opened. It's not completely sealed. They're gonna be, I think they're gonna be fine. But you know, why not just close it? I don't know. And it's always such a messy unboxing with David Austin's with mud. I don't know why, but it does look like the rest of the bag, everything that is in here, there's a lot of wet mud. So maybe they'll be okay. But let's get in here, and I'm preparing to be a mess. All right, I've got a planting guide. Okay, this is Danahue, and I purchased Danahue last year. I got 3 of them. 2 of them they warranted, and then the 3rd one I'm just not even sure I feel like putting it in. Then let's see, we've got, oh, and we want to talk about cane size. I know that we're always saying that unboxing bare roots, we should have grade 1 roses that are 3 canes the size of a pencil. David Austin is the only vendor that I know of that doesn't promise grade 1. They promise that they're going to send you healthy roses, that they've got a 5-year guarantee, but it could be a 1.5. I don't think that they would send 2s, but it could be a 1.5, and that's okay. You know, we can't get upset with them. And so here we go. This is definitely 3 canes the size of a pencil, but I'm gonna cut out 1 or 2 of those. I mean, the roots look good. It's just they're covered in mud, and so I'm gonna wash those out. Okay, this is 3 canes the size of a pencil. This is Winchester Cathedral. You know, the roots look pretty good. This is Winchester Cathedral. Definitely 3 canes the size of the pencil. It's looking good. It's leafing out. It's happy. This is Fighting Temeraire. Looks good. Looks real good. So far, I'm feeling pretty happy. I'm going to soak these for 24 hours and then get them in the ground with a little bit of biotone. And I'm going to plant this entire trunk section underground up to the graft. This is Fighting Temeraire. Looks good. It's a grade 1. So far, everything has been a grade 1. Oh, a lot of nice canes on this one. This is Nye Bevan. Look at that. Look how many canes. We're definitely going to cut some of these, but it looks really, really healthy. Look at this monster. Wow. Sir John Betjeman. There are so many canes here. This looks awesome. Really, really awesome. I like to let you know if a vendor knows who I am, that I'm going to be doing an unboxing before they ship me something, so that you'll know whether or not I could be getting preferential treatment. In this case, I don't think David Austin cares who I am. That they just have so many orders going out, and they just trust that they're sending great roses, and if I'm not happy, they're going to take care of it. But this is Anne Boleyn. I used the ARS discount code when I purchased these, bought my own roses, did not get them for free, and the ARS discount code, you get that if you're a member, and it's 10% off, and it's in the booklet that you receive when you place your order. Look at this craziness. I mean, look how big these canes are. I mean, it's the size, I don't want to say the size of my wrist, but that's really, really big. You know, but it looks happy. All right, so this one is Elizabeth. What a monster, gosh. All right, so that is it for this order. I do have one other order coming tomorrow, and I will unbox that for you also and add it on to this video. Okay, this is Harlow Carr. Looks great. Roots are looking good. These are the Penelope Lively. They look good. There you go. I am really happy with the shipment this year. I think they look great. I hope this unboxing was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.